tell them to subscribe.
Everyone subscribe.
Yes.
অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমি এখানে এক সপ্তাহ হয়নি জয়েন করেছি।
ঠিক আছে। ধরো ধরো। Good afternoon everyone and happy Durga Puja, Shubho Sharadiya to everybody. Well, there are the dogs. I'm really messed up because of my habits and lack of studies, but now I am finally trying to willingly change myself. I know my conversation skill is little weird because I have dyslexia, and that's why when I'm speaking to someone else or even I'm trying to make videos, I forget words. It doesn't matter I'm speaking in English or Hindi or Bengali, I just forget words that I'm thinking, and that really creates a lot of trouble. Okay, so today I'm going at Dum station where my brother is waiting for me, and then I'll start binge eating with my brother. Well, it sounds weird, but yeah, my brother is coming for treat. I just called him and told that come here, I'll give you treat because the GST has dropped on the 22nd September, and that's why I will give him a treat. All the prices of each and every stuffs in Miyamure, Monjinis and other shops are depreciated. So he is coming, I am also going there, and then we'll start our binge eating journey today. Sounds weird, pretty weird for an athlete like me, but let's do this. So my brother is at my side and now we are going to enter the shop. So much fun. Let's go check the prices. I and my brother decided to go to where we are going? Sham Bazaar. Yeah, Sham Bazaar. And then we will eat a lot of stuffs like dahi bhalle and doi bada, also known as dahi bhalle, naan puri, the special chole kulche, momos, some kind of sweets, kabi raji, yes, chicken kabi raji, fish kabi raji, and whatever we will see, we will binge eat. First destination is Miyamore. Let's check the prices and all. The cakes and here are the stuffs, and we will decide what we will eat. Fish chop is available. Creamy chicken roll is available here, and chicken cutlet and other stuffs and pastries over there. So at first we are starting with the creamy chicken roll. Only 2 pieces are left and we have ordered that. Now we will taste it. And with the creamy chicken roll, I don't think fish chop will go with a big combination because the fish chop is flavored with the taste of mustard, and the creamy chicken roll is combined with the flavor of cheese, and the cheese and the mustard is totally a different category of flavor. So we will only continue with the creamy chicken roll now. Puro shelf background niye. Okay, so 36 of each. We will taste it and shake. As like always, the taste is not different. The taste is pretty similar. Okay. The butter is inside, as you can see. These are cream or butter something. I think these are butter because the butter is loaded inside the stuff. And the flavor is filled with the chicken stuff with loaded chicken. That is delicious. So we will continue after eating this. Yes, definitely butter. As You can see the juicy chicken filled with butter and cheese. So, with the tasty, delicious chicken creamy roll, we are going ahead towards the Tala Pratyay's 100th anniversary of Durga Puja. As you can see, I'm trying with the British accent. And after that, we will continue towards the Sham Bazaar. We will start from the Belgachia bridge. Yes, the Belgachia. I always be confused between the Belgachia and Belghoria, but yeah, with Belgachia. And the lane is closed. Why the lane is closed here? I don't understand. Just viewed the Tala Pratyay Durga Puja, and then our next food item, that is not a food, that is a drinkable item, that is the Sprite flavored Campa.
After pushing through the crowd of Tala Pratyay, we are very tired
Yes,
and we sweated a lot. So now we are enjoying Campa.
we
To
gave our
regain the energy because we have to now walk to Sham Bazaar.
20 minutes here, and after 20 minutes, what we just got? Some bloody photos and bloody videos. And then I have to edit all the videos and stitch into a final video, and then after rendering I will upload the video in YouTube. And from that, I just remembered that you didn't subscribe me yet. So this is Samuel Peterman, and on the description you also have the link of the channel Do Takar Vlogger. Do Takar Vlogger is my vlogging channel. Go subscribe and see the puja vlogs. Tell them to subscribe.
Everyone subscribe.
Yes. There you go. Sham Bazaar Pachmatha More means the junction of 5 head of streets, means the 5 streets connects here. That's why it is called the Pach, means 5, Matha means head, and More means junction. That's the history. That is the landmark. The landmark is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose with the horse. And that's one lane, second, third, the fourth, and the fifth. Yes, and now we will cross the road and we will reach our next destination. That is, I forgot the name of the shop. Tripti. Tripti. The Tripti.
Where we are going to have South Indian food.
Our next South Indian meal, which is Doi Bora. And you also get idli and dosa there, but I don't.
The best there is, they make the best idli. They make the best doi vada and naan puri.
Doi Bora means the dahi bhalle or the curd and fries. Means the fries are made of dal and soaked in water to get rid of the oil. Yes. And then they dip it into a sweet cold yogurt. That is called dahi vada. That is Tripti, pure veg shop. And I don't think we will get our seat, but that is the. You can also have the chole kulche or the naan puri here. The delicious big naan puris also available here. The prices are these. But today we will only get our doi vada. We will only have the doi vada, and then we will.
Naan puri na ke dosa khete pabe.
Doi vada is okay, and then we will go for the next destination, the Kabiraji. This is the yogurt of the curd that is preparing.
Idli better.
No, the batter of idli or dosa, I guess. I thought that is the yogurt that is being prepared for our doi vada.
This is not yogurt. This is the batter for idli or dosa.
Got it. Okay. So these are the dal. These are the dal that is being smashed here. Pleasure arrived. Okay. You take it. Another is coming. This is my plate. Let's see. Hello guys. So you can see the details and the structure. These These are the curd, the valle, the bada, and the delicious show. Very good. The tomato sauce takes another flavor. Let's try the bada. Let's check if we have the dine-in, means if we have our meal dahi vada in a dine-in process, then if we get extra card or not. Let's ask. জিজ্ঞেস করো করো Okay, let's ask. Although I am also an introvert, he is a bigger introvert than me. So let's ask. আচ্ছা কি জিজ্ঞেস করা যাবে, এক্সট্রা দই দেওয়া হয় জিজ্ঞেস করবো নাকি এক্সট্রা দই পাওয়া যাবে কিনা এক্সট্রা দই পাওয়া যাবে কিনা জিজ্ঞেস করে করো 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 ডাকছি তুমি কাকু 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 শুনছে না, কাকু ইজ নট লিসনিং। কাকু হচ্ছে দই এক্সট্রা পাওয়া যায়? It is a one time. It is not a repeat process, so you will not get another yogurt. This is the plate. I have cleaned all the yogurts, and we are promoted to this. Our meal has ended, and now I am having the water. At the opposite side of the lane. Our next destination is Budho Baba's Chole Kulche. I guess the shop's name is Budho Baba or Baba's. Baba's Koviraji. Bro, Baba's Kebab, I guess. Baba's Kebab or Baba's Koviraji, something. Not Chole Kulche. So we are going to have the Koviraji, and that is straight towards the Hathi Bagan. The Hathi Bagan's lane is a huge lane. You will find all kinds of shops like Style Bazaar and Bazaar Kolkata. Wallah, look at the taxi. It is loaded from the back. Someone has loaded the back of the taxi, man. So, let's read. বেরিয়ে পড়ি এবং আদি মালঞ্চ দোকানটা আজকে বাইরে বসেছে, এই দেখতেই পাচ্ছ তোমরা পিছনে আদি মালঞ্চ, এবং ওই যে গলিটায় বসতে ওই গলিটায় পুজোর জন্য এখন ঘিরে দেওয়া হয়েছে। তো আমরা চিকেন কবিরাজি নিয়েছি, একটু বাইরের দিকে বেরিয়ে পড়ি, বেরিয়ে গিয়ে আগে খাই, ছবি তুলি, ব্লগ বানাই। বনলেস নয়, প্রত্যেকবার গলিতে এরকম ফ্লেভার আছে না, ওটা ফ্লেভার নেই, মাস্টার্ডের ফ্লেভারটা কম, কিন্তু একটু মোটা করে দিয়েছে, ময়দার ফ্লেভার আছে। তুমি একটা করছো কেন? ময়দার ফ্লেভার ভয় লাগবে এতদিন। ওটাই বলছি যে এমনি সময় যেটা খাই ভিতরে গলিতে ওই ফ্লেভারটা পাচ্ছি না, পুরো মানে উপরে ময়দার উপরে ডিমের টেক্সচারটাই বেশি হচ্ছে। So we have tried, and let's see my brother's review on this shit. He is not willing to give any review right now
because the food was not very good.
The food was usually they have another shop, the main shop.
Because puja is now going on, there is very crowd in front of the shop, so the quality of the
quality
food
has
has
degraded
gone
a lot. Because normally I had this, they are very flavorful. হাত দিয়ে তো কন্ট্রোল করা যায়। Let's go, and let's, after having such a bad Koviraji, go and have our next dish. Our next destination is Sham Bazar's famous, one of a kind of famous lassi shop. Lassi and fruit milkshake shop. Oh, some cute kitties are having their chicken meat. Yeah, I like animals. I like animals. Okay, animal lovers, give it a thumbs up and comment cat emojis to show your love. Come on, the shop, man. Let's talk with the uncle. Cancelled our plan of lassi and came to buy some cold drinks or pre-made lassi, which is cheap because on 40 rupees this little glass is not enough. You will get Joy's fruit flavored lassi in 40 rupees of 200 or 250 ml. Okay, fine. And now we are deciding what to take from this shop. This destination is Monjinis and we will get the zebra turret. We previously discussed that we will get the zebra turret and a cheesecake at the last as a dessert. So let's have it. So we have skipped the pastry for a little long and now we are going to have the kebab.
So now we are going to have kebab, the cheapest and best quality kebab that you can find in Damdam or anywhere in Kolkata.
Yeah, on 60 rupees I will show you the quantity when I will have it on my hand.
And the taste
The
is very
taste
good.
is
Super.
yes, good. Not superb. I have had many kind of kebabs which is more delicate and
But at
delicious.
this price,
At this
if
price
you
on
go to
street
any other restaurant or
You will
they
get the
not,
quality.
you will never get this kind of quality
Flavor.
at so less price.
Yeah. And I am going to have the reshmi kebab and he is going to have either banjara or
I think I
haryali.
am going to have the achari.
Achari. There are multiple flavors like the banjara kebab, the achari flavor, the reshmi kebab, the haryali. No, not the haryali. What?
Haryali or achari.
Yes, and also the other flavors and other textures. And uncle has come, so let's talk to him. So we got tifis and campa of 20-40 rupees to eat, to drink with the kebabs, and our kebab is being prepared there. That's the quantity in 60 rupees, and that's my brother's, and we are going to have it. Flavor is very tender, and my brother is having the achari masti, and I tasted one piece. It's very spicy, but the flavor of the reshmi kebab is top. I got one bone. This top, and with this, what it is? The cheese is very sweet. Wow, guys, the flavor is amazing. But the campa is little deep. I'm not liking the campa. I'm not liking the campa. You can have the fish with this. The fish is very sweet. I like the flavor of the fish. It is good. The quantity is not satisfying because I have traveled a lot. I have tried many shops and they gave proper quantity. With comparison to them, this is little less in quantity, but you can have it. Done eating. Now we are going towards the station, Damdam station. Let's fill the water. We have ordered 2 zebra turrets. These are the zebra. Okay, this is the zebra turret. Let me show you. Layer of vanilla. The back portion is totally chocolate. Upper portion is chocolate. The 3 cake. There are 1, 2, and 3. That is the zebra. How is it?
taste very well.
Yeah, exactly. So, yeah.
It has a very thick layer of chocolate, soft chocolate.
Choco crunches are inside in the creamy layer. I like this one. Among all the different kind of pastries, this one is my favorite. It is the better. But yes, like